You know by now that we handpick the world's best sailings, the world's best cruise lines, and the world's best ways to see that treasure destination in all its glory. And during Cruise World 2018 in the Broward Convention Center, I had the pleasure of meeting with Arnold Donald, the CEO of Holland America. Well, better said, the CEO of the Carnival Corporation. So, this unassuming looking fellow with a humongous grin and twinkling eyes is the director in chief, shall we call him, for the largest cruise organization in the world. And he is just so warm. We had lunch, Holland America sponsored lunch on Wednesday, and we really got a chance to sit down and really glean words of wisdom from this inspiring gentleman, and of course his team at Holland America. And we want to focus of this period on Holland America and all the exciting things that they are rolling out just for us in 2019 and 2020. And just in case you didn't know, the brand new Staten Dam, whose godmother is Oprah Winfrey, is about to set sail. And you know how it has been with that girls' getaway. That sold out within an hour for January 2019. With Oprah as the godmother, what do you expect? Anyway, take a look at what has happened over the last 4 years with this amazing brand in the premium line for the cruising industry, Holland America.
Someone once said the most beautiful things in life aren't things, they're experiences.
Fair winds and comfort for her guest.
America's Test Kitchen is specifically geared toward the home cook.
EXC is another way Holland America Line enhances your exploration of the world, because it's in that enthusiastic exploration that we begin to cross boundaries. We are a cruise line, but more than that, we are transforming lives.
The Oprah magazine is excited to announce our joint venture with Holland America Line.
Hello, Warthawkers, hello. Nice to see you.
You are going to remember this experience on Holland America in a way that you wouldn't remember if you spent the money on a thing.
This is our 7-day authentic Cuba cruise, a Holland America Line signature itinerary.
I think there's kind of a magical connection that happens when you're feeding people. You want it to be a place where people go there, have memories, and want to come back and experience those memories again.
The wine list is going to be unmatched in the cruise industry.
I'm excited to join Holland American Line Culinary Council.
Holland American Line is known for its food.
And the members of the Holland America Line's Culinary Council.
Holland America Line has the most complete and immersive culinary experience at sea.
setting sail again on Holland America's line's newest ship. It's called the New Statendam, and I'm going to be the ship's godmother.
EXC in-depth voyages is taking us to new places.
As you can see, we've been very, very busy. That was nearly 4 years of innovations compressed into just a few minutes. I'd like to say that Holland America Line is for explorers, foodies, and music lovers, and many of our guests are all three.